Hello everyone, you are welcome to the inside of my screen and thank you for joining me. Hello everyone, you are welcome to the inside of my screen and thank you for joining me. Looking at the Euro USD, okay, let me start with the Euro USD. Now I'm looking at the Euro USD with this immediate trend right here. We can see that the Euro USD is bearish to the downside. So and it has been creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs. Okay, let me come to daily time frame first. So let's see how the daily time frame is doing. Now right here on the daily time frame, we can see that this trend right here is bullish to the upside. We can see price is bullish to the upside right here. This trend right here is bullish to the upside. As you can see, we have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line right here, we have the third, and price has been pushing to the upside. So in as much price is still trading on this trend line right here, we are still bullish to the upside. And also we have this main trend line right here, and we also have the inner trend line again. So we have the first touch point of the inner trend line, we have the second touch point of the inner trend line, and we have the third touch point of this trend line right here. I take that again. We have this first touch point, we have the second touch point, and we have the third touch point right here. So now, as you can also see, we can also see that price has hit this level of resistance right here. We have this first touch point. We have So as I was saying right here, we can also see that on the Euro USD price has hit this level of resistance right here. We have this first touch point, we have the second attempt right here, and we have the third attempt. And if you look at the left hand side right here, we can also see that in the past, on Euro USD in the past, when price break out from this level right here, it tested this level turns resistance before pushing to the downside. Now price come around again to price come price price come around again to attempt to attempt this to attempt this level of resistance right here. We have the first attempt, price pushed back down. It came again to the second attempt again, it still pushed back down, and upon the third attempt, price descend to the downside right here. And also right here, price push to this support level right here, and price was reacting on this support level right here, and price has been pushing to the downside right here. Like I've said, in as much price is still trading on this level, on this trend line right here, we are still bullish. The Euro USD is still bullish to the upside. It's still bullish. So now it's either we have a breakout right here. It's either we have the Euro USD candle break out from this level, from this level right here, or what? It broke this support level. If it should break out from this support level, we are coming down. If price action should break out from this support level right here, we are coming down. But if it should bounce off this level right here, this support level, if it should bounce it off a daily candle, if we can get more momentum from the buyers to push this price back up, we are coming to attempt this resistance level again. We are coming to attempt this this resistance level again. As you can see right here, we can see that this level of support has been holding. Price reacted right here in the past. It came again, reacted again. It came again, came shy of this support level before pushing back up. It came again now, again to still react on that level. This shows that the buyers are holding this level firmly. They are defending this support level. But if the sellers can continue to drive the price down, we are coming to test this level again. But if the buyers can step in with a strong momentum, price will break out from this trend line right here and come to attempt this resistance level here. So now if you look at the 4-hour time frame right here, on the 4-hour time frame right here, we can see that price has attempted this level of resistance and also test the trend line right here, but could not break through that level. Right there, could not break through that level right here. And also the trend line touch, we have this first. Okay, so now we have the first touch point trend line. We have the second touch point trend line, and upon the touch point trend line, price bounced off that level vigorously with a bullish engulfing 4-hour candle. Right here. Now my decision factor is, if we can get if price can break out from this trend line right here, a breakout from this trend line we push price up. Breakout from this trend line right here, it tested, price will push back up. Price will push back up. And also, if we can look at this level, we can also see that if we can also see a level that we need to watch out for. Now this level might hold price from pushing to the upside, because if price should break out from this trend line right here, it's coming to attempt this level right here. This is a level of resistance that cannot be overlooked. We need to watch out for this, because this is also a level of resistance right here. So if price should come right here to attempt this resistance, if it should break out from it, we are coming down. We are coming to the upside. But if price can, but if this level is still rejected, we are coming down again. So for now, as it is now on the Euro USD right here, is that we might see price action breaking out from this trend line right here, from this downward trend line right here. As you can see, we have the first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line, we have the third, we have the fourth touch point trend line. We have multiple touches on this trend line right here. So if we can get upon the fifth attempt touch, if price can break out from this trend line for the fifth attempt, we are coming to attempt this minor level of resistance. So, and if price can break out from this level of resistance, we are coming here. Price is coming right here to attempt this level. If price can break out from here, a breakout retest, we should see the Euro USD pushing back up again to attempt this key level of resistance right here. Breakout from here, we are coming here like this. So that is that on Euro USD right here. As you can see, Euro USD is pushing to the upside. Right here we have this massive retracement right here, and also we have multiple touches on this trend line right here. We have first attempt, we have the second attempt, we have the third, we have the fourth attempt right here. So we have the first attempt, we have the second touch, we have the third, we have the fourth attempt. So we have the fourth touch. So price is pushing up again to come test it for the fifth attempt. And if price can successfully clear out from this trend line right here, upon the fifth attempt, is coming to test this level of resistance. And if price can clear this resistance level, we are coming to the upside to attempt this major level of resistance right here. So, and if price can break through, we are coming here. So for now, I am waiting patiently. For now, I am watching and waiting patiently to see it break out from this trend line right here. Come right here, attempt this level. If it can break it, we are coming to the upside right here. So so that is that on the Euro USD right here. So that is that on the Euro USD. So now, so coming to the the GBP USD. Now on the GBP USD as well, right here. Okay, let's come to the daily time frame to see. Now right here on the daily time frame right here, we can also see that GBP USD is bullish as well. We have first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line. So we might see price coming to attempt it to touch this trend line for the third attempt. If this third attempt can bounce off this level, we are pushing up, but if price can break out from this trend line right here, we are coming down. We are coming down right here, and also, as we can see right here, we can also see that price is reacting on to a strong level of resistance right here. We have the first touch, we have the second touch attempt, we have the third attempt. So as you can see, this is a strong level of resistance right here. So price has attempted it for multiple times, for third times, but could not break through and keep rejecting to the downside. So price pushed down to this support level right here, and price has been reacting and struggling to break out or break through, to break down or push back up on this support level right here. And as you can see, this is a strong level of resistance, and this is also a strong level of support. But if price can come right here to test this trend line for the third attempt, and if price can bounce off this level, can bounce off from this trend line, we are coming up. But if price can break down, we are coming down. And as you can see, if price can break out from here, the next level target is this major level of support. That is 1.21059. So that would be the next level target on GBP provided price can break out from this trend line right here. So coming to the 4-hour time frame. So coming to the 4-hour time frame right here, we can see that we have a sell on GBP we have a lower low, we have a lower high. Price was creating series of lower lows and lower highs until it gets to this support level. And once it gets to this support level, it could not. The buyers were rejecting the price from here. The buyers rejected the price from here. The buyers rejected this price. I mean, they were holding this level firmly right here, and price has been struggling to break down. So for now right here now, if we can get a breakout from here, so now as it is now, we have this first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point trend line. Hopefully we can get a third attempt if price can come to test this trend line for the third attempt right here. If it should break out, we are coming up. But if price is unable to break out for this trend line right here, is coming to test this trend line again. So if you look at the left hand side, we can also see that if price will start selling to the downside, this will be the potential level target. This will be the potential level that price will likely to sell to. If you look at the left hand side, we can see that we have a support level right here. So if price can break down from this support, we are coming down. So as it is now, we want to see what price action is likely to do next. I will be waiting patiently for price to break out from this trend line right here. I'll be waiting patiently for price to break out from this trend line right here. As you can see, we have low, we have a high, we have a 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 low. So we have a low right here. Price push up again to test this resistance level, could not break through that level right here. Price could not break through that level. Price could not break through this resistance level right here, and price was rejected to the downside. So price is still we might still see price coming again to attempt this level. But if price can break out from this level right here, ladies and gentlemen, price is coming to 1.370000. So that would be the next level target on GBPUSD. So for now, we just have to, I just have to wait. We just have to wait to see what price action is likely to do next. So right here now, if I draw out the counter trend line, a buy opportunity, right? So with this now, okay. So now, with this now, if price can break out from this trend line right here, we should see price coming to attempt this level again. But for now, in as much price is still trading beneath this trend line right here, we we might still what be bearish. Price will still be what be selling to the downside. So as it is now, we have the first touch point trend line, we have the second touch point. Price is coming to attempt it. Is either we have something like this, touch it, what, or break to the downside like so, or it happens like this, a breakout, we attempt this level. Anyway, whichever one the market wants to do, the market wants to do. But for now, we cannot enter for a buy for a buy or sell yet. We want to see price action coming to test this trend line again for the third attempt. So if price can, we need to see candlestick reaction right here to tell us either to sell or to buy. Is to tell us either to sell this market to the downside, to come here, or to buy. But if price can reject from this trend line right here, we are coming down. GBPUSD will come down. If this level is rejected, if this third touch point is rejected for the third attempt, we are coming down. But if it should break out from here, we are coming up. So that is that on GBPUSD. That is that on GBPUSD. So let me quickly look at the EURUSD again. So now on the EURUSD, I can, if I draw out if I pop out a trend line right like so, okay, okay, okay. Now, as you can see now, we can take a buy opportunity right from here, right like so. We can take a buy opportunity from here to attempt this resistance level, to come attempt this trend line. Look at it. Like I said earlier, we have the first touch point, we have the second touch point, we have the third, we have the fourth touch point, and we're expecting price to come test this trend line for the fifth touch point. For the fifth touch, if price can break out for the fifth touch, we are coming up. If price can break out from the fifth touch, we are coming up. We are coming to attempt this resistance level, and if price can break out from this resistance level, we are coming to the upside. But for now, this is a buy. This is a buy right now. This is a buy. This is a buy. Price is coming to attempt this trend line for the fifth attempt. So this is a buy. We have a bullish engulfing 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle that has engulfed the previous last 4-hour candles. So one 4-hour candles has engulfed the previous last 4-hour candles. So this shows strength right here. So this is a buy. So the EURUSD is coming to attempt this trend line for the fifth attempt. If we get a breakout, price is what is coming here. If we can clear out, price is coming to test this level right here. So that is that on the EURUSD. So if you found this video helpful, interesting, or you found value, please drop a comment about the analysis. Like and share, subscribe to this channel, so that when I come again, you'll get notified. So thank you for watching to this very end of the live stream. So see you in the next one, and bye for now.